That was a little too quiet. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Either way, I appreciate you. So today I'm going to be doing my other Zodiac makeup look that I put off last week, just because I really wanted to review that Morphe palette. I was a little eager, but I turned out to be a little disappointed. But you should check it out if you haven't seen it, because it still came out pretty good. I'm going to show you the gems, and we're going to put this Aquarius look together today. Yes, today I'm going to be doing Aquarius, and that is birthdays between January 19th to February. I'm not sure about the last day, but we're going to get started. I still got my Capricorn one, but have Aquarius. I'm going to be putting it right on my forehead again, but I'm going to be doing a completely different makeup look because I know Aquarians are completely different than Capricorns. So this one's going to be a little more vibrant because Aquarians are more vibrant, more out there, unique. So this look has to be unique, right? So since I know it's a water bearer, I'm going to be sticking to more like blues today. It's not a water sign, so it's kind of crazy how Aquarius has aqua in it, but it's an air sign. But I'm gonna be sticking to blue anyways, but I'm gonna be using silvers, and I usually don't use silvers like that, so it's gonna be a little different for me. On my pixie sticks. So if you're an Aquarius, let me know. I hope I represent you guys good enough for this look, because everyone in my house is an Aquarius. I'm always dropping something. Oh, that's way too much powder. Look how much. Save it for baking later. I need to wrap my hair up. That's what I should have did. So I think this is pretty much set. I think I'm gonna use Alyssa Edwards today because that's like the only palette I have with blue in it. Well, I think so. Let me check. Oh wait, no, Amrezy has blue. I'm gonna be using Amrezy and Alyssa Edwards today. I think I'm gonna use the Coca-Cola palette as well for something else. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but something else. To Dream It. Yeah, Dream It. I'm gonna go into Dream It. Yeah, that was my original plan. Do my eyebrows. You can start to see it through my concealer. I just had to stop because I noticed that. I'm gonna do them after this video because it's about that time. Okay, I keep blending. When it's a look that requires a lot of blending, you just get caught into it. At least it's me. I don't know, I feel like I'm kind of like taking pride in this look because I really hope this idea comes out the way I envisioned it. So I'm like taking my time. All right, I'm done. So I'm gonna go into Leo from Amrezy. and that's like the only light blue in the palette, so I'm gonna use that. I forgot about this color, so I'm gonna see how this comes out. I just get some water because it's a shimmer color. Brush is wet. I never actually wore this color, so I'm a little excited. I'm really quiet today. I'm just really focused. I'm like, if I'm really focused on something, I'm just gonna be really quiet. I like it. So I think I'm gonna go back into that, into Dream It, and then I'm gonna do the silver dark that I wanna try. Go into black. I'm a little tempted. I think I'm gonna go into a little bit of black. Yeah, that's it. Just that much black, just a tiny bit. So one thing I really did like about this palette was the glitters. They're really good with water. So I wanted to go back into the Coca-Cola palette. So if you want to know how good this palette is, you should watch my last review. I'm just gonna leave it there. I had mixed feelings on the palette. I don't know, like I got fallout. So I just got this little one. Put some water on it. So I'm gonna go into the glitter. I don't know the name. I gotta get the. It is Happiness. Then the inner corner, I wanted it to be like all the way out there. I feel like experimenting. I hope I like how this comes out because I'm just experimenting now. And Aquarians are known to be unique, so I didn't want this to be a regular type of makeup look anyways. So I got glitter in my eye. It's irritating me a little bit. Actually, get an idea after idea right now. My creative juices are flowing. Am I an Aquarius yet? Let me see if I get any more ideas while I do my foundation and stuff. Because I'm pretty much done with my eyes. At least I feel like I'm done with my eyes. But you know, I always add on if I get more ideas, right? I'm doing this like I don't have to put concealer under my eyes. I already prepped my face, just in case you're wondering. Why not do the whole face today? But I feel like it's one of those days today, right? So I'm using the Orgasm X blush from NARS. I really love this blush. It like, I don't know if I mentioned this in a video, but it's very pigmented. Like it shows up on my skin tone. Like the regular Orgasm, it does, but it doesn't show up like this one does. Which is, I really like it. I feel like they made this for darker skin people. So I don't know if it will show up on a dark skin person, but I think it would. I need to get a powder contour. Like I'm kind of tired of using like eyeshadow or the sticks. I don't always want to use them, but I'm just gonna use it anyways. But I want to get a powder one. I don't know if I want to get the Fenty one or another one. Not sure yet. Because I feel like I have a bigger forehead, so I like to just make it look a little smaller. I wanted to try this. Beautiful, it does cut the line. I never did this. Only because I liked when it wasn't that sharp. So I'm gonna fix my eyebrows because they got a little messed up in the process, which is normal. That usually happens for me. Oh wow, it's soft, which is what I wanted. I didn't want it to be too heavy of a line. Alright, let me just blend this all out. I don't know how bold I should be. Should I be this bold or a little bold or super bold? Try these out. So these are all from Mona's World. It's like a small business I wanted to check out. I'll put the link in the description, but these are so cute. Like I found her on Twitter. Well, I found the business on Twitter, and you know, I want to keep supporting them, so you should check out these lashes. Yeah, with lashes like these, I gotta do them one at a time. So instead of waiting forever for this one to be finished, I'm gonna get to the gems. I'm just gonna put this on. So, you know, I did another one. I did Capricorn like 2 weeks ago. Oh, it fell right out. You might as well take a shot every time I drop something. Here you go. It's like the what? Oh, it's 2 of them. So I gotta put it on evenly. Great. I gotta like do this perfectly, and I got nails on. Okay. I did it. It's a little far apart, but I think it's okay. on to my Marc Jacobs lipstick. So I'm going into my favorite eyeshadow, my favorite highlight palette. Since I'm not wearing gold today, I'm gonna be actually going to Forever Lit, and that's like the iridescent holographic lip. I didn't even put any spray on. That's crazy. To clean off the gems, but the powder and then now I'm gonna see you guys at the end when I fix my hair and clean my piercing and stuff, okay? And I'm done. So I just did my hair. Actually, I used a little bit of my diamond ball out powder to make it more, you know, shiny. So I'm done. This is Aquarius, my second Zodiac makeup look. So I only got Capricorn and Aquarius, but if you want me to do other signs, I would definitely go buy the gems and try it out. You know, make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe, comment. I already said comment. Also, before you go, I want to do an assumptions about me video. So, you know, I want you to just let me know what you think about me, or like assumptions, like what would you think I would be like, or the type of person I am, things I'm into, and I want to just make a video about that. So make sure you put that in the comments, like reply to my comment, because I'm gonna leave a comment as well when I upload this video. But yeah, you know, let me know what sign you are, if you like this makeup look, and if this is your first time watching me do a Zodiac makeup look. I also did Capricorn a few weeks ago, so make sure you check that out. And if you want to check out the new palette that I tried out, the Morphe and Coca-Cola, I did that last week. So, you know, all of that will be in the end, and I'll see y'all in the next video.